Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine naturally. First, choose the best grapes. Their quality directly impacts your wine. Next, ensure all your equipment is perfectly clean and sanitized to avoid any unwanted bacteria. Then, gently crush your grapes. This releases the juice without breaking the bitter seeds, setting a great foundation for your natural wine. This careful start is crucial for a successful batch. Now let nature take its course. Wild yeasts present on the grape skins will begin the fermentation process, converting sugars into alcohol. It's vital to monitor the temperature, keeping it between 65 degrees F and 75 degrees F for the best results. Also, remember to punch down the grape cap 2 to 3 times daily. This ensures proper extraction of color and tannins, contributing to a richer, more complex wine. Once primary fermentation finishes, it's time to rack your wine. Carefully transfer it from the fermentation vessel, leaving the sediment, or lees, behind. Then age your wine in a cool, dark place. This period, often several months, allows the flavors to mature and integrate beautifully. A secondary racking will further clarify your wine, removing any remaining sediment for a cleaner finish. Finally, prepare for bottling. Thoroughly sanitize all your bottles and equipment to maintain the wine's integrity. Carefully siphon your finished wine into the clean bottles, ensuring you leave about 1 inch of headspace before corking. Store your bottled wine on its side in a cool, dark place to keep the cork moist. Then, enjoy the fruits of your labor. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.